Well, hello guys and welcome back to my hair channel. Right now I'm in between school. I'm doing school right now. So while the kids are each doing their own little lesson right now, I have to go back and check on them for a minute. But I'm trying to quickly wash my hair because I hate washing my hair in the evening time and then because my hair takes so long to dry, having to go to bed with my hair wet. I hate it. So I'm trying to work it in between the homeschooling that I'm doing. My hair is a hot mess. I mean, it may not look that bad right here, but if you look close in the scalp, you know it needs some soap. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna wash it with the Tresemme Curl Hydrate, and then I'm gonna do the conditioner I'm gonna combine it with the conditioner, which is Curl Hydrate, also by Tresemme. Okay, I'm conditioning now. I don't leave it on my hair very long. I just leave it in about 5 minutes. And I start detangling. And I will see you guys back after I detangle because I'm pretty sure my hair is very tangled and I am very tender-headed. And the more my hair is tangled, I'd rather not show my facial expressions of how it is feeling when I'm detangling. So I'll be right back, okay? All right, I am back. I actually had to go help my son do a test. And I'm going to be styling with my handy dandy Eco Styler. My hair feels so like full. So my hair is completely done. It is, now I just need to dry. So same old staple, the Eco Styler. You can't get the coat off. Okay. Huh? It's not working? Okay, I'll be in a few minutes. Give me a second, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Okay. Anyway, I'll see you guys back when my hair is dry. Okay, so my hair is dry. It is a new day because I had mom duties. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the results of the wash and go I did yesterday. Okay. So okay, that looking kind of crazy, but look at the curls. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like for more videos.